Welcome to Stonetile exterior panels, premium style, now made simple. Number 1. Getting started. Before installing Stonetile, ensure the wall is properly prepared with a code-approved weather barrier and flashing. Begin by positioning the universal starter J channel at the base of the wall. Set it level and fasten it securely. The universal starter J holds the panels 1 inch above the base of the channel, so plan your layout accordingly. Start at an outside corner. Overhang the first corner panel by 1/2 inch. That standoff is what allows the 2 outside corner pieces to meet cleanly and form a proper corner. With the corner set, continue the first row by sliding each panel into the starter J. The starter J is not structural and may flex slightly as weight is added, so after placing each panel, ensure it is sitting level. Check that the hangers drop fully into the channel and fasten each panel through the holes provided in the hangers. This first row establishes the entire layout. For each row, begin at the corner. Hangers simply drop behind the panel below. Note, the hangers are offset, which allows most panels to be installed from either side. So if the hanger interferes with the hanger below, simply flip the panel over. Please refer to the product specifications for the correct joint pattern for the profile you are installing. For more information, refer to the Stonetile installation guide.